What is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? Everyone watching on YouTube, appreciate you for clicking this. Don't click away. It's gonna be a great video, I promise you. Please subscribe. Takes a second. Oh, you already subscribed. The length it took me to say that, you could subscribe quicker than that, and it's free, and it would make my day and make me happy. And so that it's like your good deed for the day with like 0.1% of a calorie spent on it. Anyways, excited to open these. Got these for a steal from Notre. These are being, I mean, I don't know, TBD if these are being slept on. Maybe they're being appropriately slept on. But half price, I couldn't resist. I think, you know, you can't go wrong on a collab for half price most of the time. I mean, you know, if you're like me and have too many shoes and not enough space, not enough money, then maybe you got to resist. You can't buy every single sale out there. But this one, we'll see how it is. I am going to be wearing, I got these with work in mind. I got to wear black shoes for work on occasion. And so I've been expanding my black shoe sneaker collection. I didn't have many. Now I'm up to like, you know, a handful of pairs, and we'll see how these ones hold up. So we have today the Air Max 2013 Stüssy collab. Stüssy for like people who want to pronounce it correct, I think. But Stüssy collab in black, white, black. Size 12. Anytime I'm a little unsure about the model, I go as half size up to be safe. I'm not doing anything athletic in these, so I don't need a necessarily snug fit. But as you can see, it's got the Stüssy branding on the side, cream box, kind of their fossil colorway. We'll get into the colors of these, but one of these does come in this like kind of colorway, this fossil cream colorway. So let's check these out, see what we think. Again, like, subscribe, do all the things. I never say hit the notification bell, but you know, I'm gonna start saying that. We're over 1,500 subscribers. Any of you subscribers that are watching this, hit the notification bell, because I got more Lowheat coming in, because I'm a maniac and I don't have any impulse control. I'm doing it for you guys. All right, we got some design forward paper, Stüssy design paper. Let's see here. Now, these came out a bit ago. I'll check the date. I forgot to check the date before this video. So especially thank you if you're watching, because this, like, you know, there's been other reviews and unboxings of these. I've got these late. I've got these in the sale period. And here they are. These look pretty nice initially. Now, I have actually seen these in hand. I think I was at Dover Street Market in Los Angeles, and they had these on the shelves, and I got to pick them up. So actually, I don't think this is my first time holding these. But this is the Air Max 2013, as I stated, as you see in the title. This sneaker, this silhouette, no surprise, big surprise, debuted in 2013. And I was reading up before this, and it said it came equipped with the Air Max Plus technology, or the Nike Plus technology. If you remember that, I think my brother got me a Nike Plus, the little thing you put in the heel here, and then track your running via an app. I never used it because I hate running and I'm lazy. But if you remember those days of Nike Plus running, this was the model, the signature Air Max model of that year that got released. So what's cool about this is you don't have, like, on the original models, it had just a normal swoosh. Here you got the now more often done backwards Nike swoosh. It's done from time to time. It's not just Travis Scott models. It was done before that, and will be continued to be done after Travis Scott, as you can see here. But, you know, they don't throw it on everything, so it's kind of unique, kind of cool. I dig it. I dig it. And then you got this ombre fade of orange to yellow underneath. You have this thin Stüssy Air Max branded tongue, kind of like that, a little bit more athletic, a little tech forward. Backward swoosh on the inside upper panel, which is cool too. Kind of this reinforced heel there, and then you got basically a full length air bubble. Stüssy Air Max underneath branding there, And yeah, this is pretty. I like it. This also came in, as I mentioned, other colorways came in the fossil colorway. That's kind of like the box, and it also came in a pink colorway. I don't think those two were on sale. I think those are a little bit more popular than this black colorway. This seems to be the colorway that's lingering on sites and on shelves the most. I think, you know, the other, I really like the pink, and I do like the fossil colorway. For the fossil one lends itself to a lot of customization and dyeing, which is popular right now. But the black, I think, you know, is a safe bet. You can't go wrong with this, especially half off. I think, what are these retail for? Damn it, I didn't do my homework. My current, here, I'll look it up while I talk about these. My favorite Air Max is what I'm wearing, the Air Max Plus Tuned Air. I love these things. This is the Air Max Greedy. The OG color, a combination of the OG colorways. These aren't comfortable. I have yet to find an Air Max that is comfortable. Let me know what you guys think about that. I have an Air Max 1. I have Air Max Pluses. Apparently, the Vapor Maxes are comfortable, but I haven't really worn those. So I was fortunate enough actually to get the Cactus Plant Flea Market Vapor Max, and immediately flipped it. Kind of regret it now, but yeah. Anyways, yes, these retailed for $210 steep, plus 200 price point retail, but I got these for half. Pretty sure I got these for half, which is real nice. So with taxes, shipping and stuff, came out to like $126. Like for a fashion collab, just a little over $100, down from $200. I don't know. I think that's a pretty good deal, especially for a versatile shoe like this, black, all black. It has the rope lace holders, eyelets here. That's kind of cool. And yeah, Stüssy branding here. Jesus, my cat scared the crap out of me outside. All right, let's try these on, see how they look. I think these would obviously go well with a yellow or orange sock to complement the underlay there under this like a little bit of net mesh. I'm not sure what you'd call that. But let's see here. I'm wearing pink socks today. I don't know if that's the move, but we shall see. It's always tricky putting shoes on over this tripod phone setup. I apologize if it sounds like I'm breathing on you. All right, let's get in here. See, this is why I always go half size up, like on stuff that I don't know. Just, it's freaking hard, man, to get your foot in. It's stiff. It's just like real hard. It's like I'm breathing hard here, and I've been working out lately too. Slimmed down a little bit, and I'm breathing hard trying to get this thing on. It's more, I'll blame it on the tripod I'm straddling right now. Yeah, you heard that right. Okay. I like it. Going half size up, I can tell I'm not standing up, but I can tell I have plenty of toe room. Even standing up, I'll have plenty of toe room. I do like that, like my foot has room though in the upper and width wise. I do think I'd be feeling a little claustrophobic if I had gone true to size. But, you know, you just loosen the laces. I'm sure it would be fine. You just got to loosen. I would have to loosen everything up more, to my point. But I'm happy to having gone half size up. I'm not regretting it. So that would be my suggestion. You're fine true to size. I would not go half size down. You're fine going true to size. And if you want, like me, just to be safe, half size up is not bad. That's what I go in these Air Max Pluses. I go half size up. Also, kind of fits like a Air Max Plus a little bit, but yeah, kind of dig them. Not kind of. I do dig them. Spoiler alert: I'm gonna rate these at the end of the video, and these are definitely getting above a 7, and 7's like my baseline of like I like the shoe, personally, and so these are definitely getting above a 7. And I like to, like I was telling you, I don't really mess with too many black shoes, but since I have been getting more, they do go with a lot of stuff. You don't have the headache. Like naturally, I'm wearing pink socks. Naturally, like I won't shy away from buying the pink versions of these, or the white one, the fossil ones, and you know they'd be dirty in one wear. But I don't shy away from that. But like you do have to think more when putting fits together, and with these I definitely wouldn't have to think as much. Now this does show through a little bit more, you know. Not that I thought. I did think, like, when I was looking at these online, I'm like, that's going to show through. And like I said, I saw these at Dover Street Market, and I can tell. So it's not surprising, but just buyer beware. You can see it on the camera right there. You definitely can see the colors. It's not like, you know, just black. It's primarily black, but you can see the yellow and the orange peek through there. So just keep that in mind. It's not an entirely black shoe, but I dig it. I guess I'll lace one up for you so you can see it laced up. I like the tongue. I like this like thin, soft tongue. This definitely looks like modern. I mean, it is 2013 Nike. I like this better than the VaporMax Plus. The outsoles on the VaporMax Plus and that design to me just looks a little weird. This looks futuristic yet not too weird. You know, not too far off the beaten path. I dig these, and this bubble is big, but it's not like Air Max 270 big, right? It's not like obscenely big. I'd love to know what you guys think about these. And, well, I mean, two things. What do you think about them at the price point of retail, $210? And then, so that first, and then what do you think about them, you know, on sale? Are you going to look for these after this video? Maybe you already knew these were on sale and have passed on them. I like them. Again, seems pretty versatile to me, especially this colorway. Same with the fossil one, probably be, you know, you could wear it with a lot. Pink one, obviously less, but I think it's a dope silhouette. I really hadn't had much exposure to Air Max 2013s. In 2013, what was I buying? Not Air Maxes too much in 2013. I was not buying too many Air Maxes. So that's for one thing. But yeah, I really dig these. I guess I was buying, what was I buying back then? Maybe like some like cross trainers, some indoor soccer shoes. Yeah, probably. Maybe some Adidas, like, you know, Y2K style 90s running shoes, not like true running shoes, but you know, that was more my vibe then in 2013. So these, yeah. 210 is expensive also. Like back then I probably couldn't afford expensive retail shoes, so I like these. Let's give these a rating. We've lingered long enough. Definitely 7. I think these edge up to 7.5. I don't know if these make an 8 for me. I mean, you do have the bonus factor of the collab. I like the ombre effect. I'm a big fan of that. That's kind of in vogue right now. Backward swoosh. I dig the silhouette. I don't know if these make an 8 though for me. Like to make an 8, like I gotta like, to me that's the threshold of like I really like them. I think these creep right up to there. I think I give these a 7.75 out of 10. 7.75 out of 10 for me on these. I really like them. But that being said, I think now having these in hand with them on foot, I think I'd give the other colorways the same. These get the same score as the other colorways, I would think. Whereas prior to this, I might have like just looking at pictures said I wanted the pink or the fossil ones more. Now having these black ones in hand, I love them. And yeah, I'm a little confused why these ones are on sale. Were the least popular of the bunch. I guess there's a lot of black shoes out there, a lot of black shoe options, so a lot of competition for these. But yeah, 7.75 out of 10. Please drop a comment. Let me know what you think about these. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Got more Lowheat coming in. I think some very exciting pairs. I got a pair of Dunk Lows coming in. I got another collab, throwback collab coming in. Yeah, a handful of pairs. So I'm very excited to unbox those, review them for you. And I'm going to wear these in a week. So I don't know if I'm going to do a wear review. Not everyone's itching for a Air Max 2013 wear review, but maybe I'll do a YouTube short on it. I mean, I'll do a 1 minute wear review on these maybe down the line. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Peace.